Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we are going to be learning even more about subtracting numbers to 100 on an open number line. This is lesson number 3. You will need paper and something to write with for this lesson. So if you don't have those, pause the video and get them ready. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. So the first thing I want to do is review the steps we can use to solve a subtraction problem on the open number line. Do you remember what to do first? Yes. First, we mark the number line with the minuend, or the first number in the equation. Next, we look at the tens digit of the subtrahend. Then we make big jumps of 10 backward to represent the tens. After that, we count by tens to see where we land. Then we look at the ones digit of the subtrahend. After that, we make small jumps of ones to represent the ones. And last, we count where we land and write the answer to the equation. Okay, are you ready to solve some problems? Let's do it. The first problem is 67 take away 46. Before you do anything, make sure you draw an open number line on your page. And then think about how to solve the equation. What do you do? What are the steps? Yes, first we need to mark the minuend at the end of the number line. And the minuend is 67. It's the first number in the equation. So there we go, 67. Next, right, we look at the subtrahend. That's the number 46. And we think, how many tens are in the number 46? Yeah, 4 tens, which means we need to make 4 big jumps of 10 backward on the number line. Let's do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to mark those so that I remember I jumped 10 each of those times. Okay, now what? That's right. Now I need to count to see where I landed. Are you writing this down? Make sure you're getting all the steps. Okay, so this is 67. And if I'm going backward by 10, I land on 57. That's right. I love how good you're getting at counting forward and backward by 10. 47, 37, and 27. Super job. Okay, did you mark that on your number line? Make sure you did. I'm doing that right now. Okay, what's my next step? Yes, I look at the subtrahend again and I see that the number 46 has 6 ones. So I need to jump backwards 6 small jumps. Let's do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I need to count to see where I landed. You got it. Let's do it. 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. 67 minus 46 equals 21. I write that down on my number line and in the equation. Did you get that? Good, because you'll need to make sure you have this problem complete for the activity we're going to do at the end of the lesson. Okay, are you ready to go on? Let's solve another problem. Okay, here we go. 88 take away 35. Yeah, I need to draw a number line to get that started. So that's what I'm going to do first. And then I'll write the equation. 88 take away 35. Okay, now I can think about what's my first step to solve this problem. Yes, I need to mark the end of the number line with the minuend. And the minuend is the number 88. Let's do that now. Here's my dot, and here's the number 88. I'm going to put that on my number line right now. 88. Okay. What is my next step? Yes, I need to look at the subtrahend. It's 35. 35 has 3 tens. Yes. So I need to make 3 big jumps of 10 backward on the number line. Make sure you do this on your paper while I do it on the screen. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I don't want to forget to mark that that's 10 so that I remember. Okay, now I need to count backwards by 10 to see where I landed. Okay, here we go. I'm at 88. I'm going backwards 10. That lands me on 78. You got it. And backward 10 more lands me on 68. Yes. And then backward by 10 lands me on 58. Okay, so I am on 58 right now. Did you get that in your notebook? Make sure you did. Make sure you've written that down because you want to have all the steps written out correctly. Yes. Okay. I have it here too. Good. Okay. Now, what do I do? Right. I look at the subtrahend again and I say, the number 35 has 5 ones. So, yes, I need to make 5 small hops backward to represent the ones. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And now I need to count. That's right, to see where I landed. Okay, are you ready to count? Do it with me. 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53. There it is. 53. I landed on the number 53. So there we go. I'm going to write it in the equation because now I know that 88 take away 35 equals 53. Excellent. Did you get that? Okay. If you need to pause the video to finish writing it, you can. Let's see what we're doing next. Okay. Now you're going to go with a partner and explain how you solved one of the 2 equations to your friend. If you don't have a friend there that you can explain to, maybe you can find your mom or dad or somebody in your house. And if you don't have anyone, just talk it through by yourself. Tell your friend how you drew the equation out on the number line. Tell your friend how you know that your answer is correct. If you need to pause the video here before going on, you can. Okay. The last thing we're going to do is solve one last problem with our partners. You get to do this one together. Make sure you and your partner draw the jumps on the number line and find the answer to the equation. 93 take away 51. I can't wait to see what you and your partners do. I hope you have fun subtracting on the number line, and I hope to see you again very soon.